Here at Galactic Wands, we have all kinds of energy tools to aid you in your energetic ascension. Many things for grid workers and healers, as well as those that are gifted at balancing frequencies and harmonizing with their environment, and the harmony and how it relates to all frequencies and bandwidths found in 3D and above. Brazilian cut quartz tip here. Okay. I put either a red ruby or a blue sapphire behind this crystal. It helps to amplify a specific field. Amethyst. These are what I like to call light rounds. This is a sodalite orgone matrix that I actually have compressed into an octahedron that I put behind the amethyst. We find that in these designs they actually have a much greater power output. This is a red jasper, golden calcite, green aventurine. You also have another clear quartz here to amplify your chi as it comes out of your hand. I have a black shungite, black tourmaline, selenite octahedron that actually goes underneath your grip, Spanish pyrite, golden lodestone here. And then of course unakite, which helps you remember your old skill sets. It's a very good stone for that. Another grounding octahedron with all the grounding stones of various sacred sites around the planet Earth. I have this new design which I like to call on the hilt. It's basically, I call it the Orgone Hilt Accelerator, and then we also have on the side here another directional crystal tip. Inside of here is two double terminated Lemurian crystals on each side, double-sided, as well as an orgone matrix which varies every 2 to 4 inches depending on what exactly output I would like to exude. For example, if you are a healer, I will load that up with all kinds of selenite. If you are an energy worker or more of a multi-purpose grid worker, I will make sure it's loaded up with plenty of calcites and varying frequency stones to make sure that you can get the output of your energy device that you will. So right now I'm going to apply, after strapping all of the stones and positioning them. The hardest part about making a proper energy tool is actually the alignment of the stones. That is what takes quite some time. But once you have that figured out and how the stones work with one another and the crystals, it all works out much more divinely, I should say. And then obviously your grip right here. These tools are very specific. They each are made of 17 components. Mainly, the majority of the wands that we make are multi-purpose wands, which are to aid you in astral projection, defense, and in opening energetic space and clearing of specific areas that might need a little adjusting here on planet Earth. Now I'm going to show you some basic techniques to not only clear your space, but when you are meditating, to amplify your field and resonance as you leave your body. This is a very basic format. Basically, you put your either hand you feel proper with, your left or your right hand, on the grip. There we go. And it's a clockwise spin to the left. Okay. Since this wand and all of my hybrids at Galactic Wands are double-sided, meaning you have a double terminated crystal at the top and on the bottom, when you're actually spinning it to the left in a clockwise direction, as you can see, the bottom of the wand is also shifting to the left, creating a vortex. You spin it to the left. The faster you spin, obviously, the faster the energy rotates around you. Okay. You then breathe in, flex your abs. What you want is your chi from your stomach to exude out of your chakra, hitting your hands, which then is then transferred to your energy tool. It's an energy amplifier. So what you'll see next is me spinning it to the left, and then once I feel that the ring has been created, you vibrate from your center out, and you use the tool as a directional force to then direct your chi. Now, to go, If I was laying in bed, I would sit up in my bed, rotate my wand to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, for about, I'd say, about a minute. All of a sudden, when you get stronger, it'll be less time. You take it to the center, and then you blow the hole. Just like in the eye of a storm, through the center of the tornado is where you want to direct your chi. What you're doing is clearing a space in the ether for your energy, for your consciousness to easily ascend and descend. When we are dealing with density here on this planet, it's important to understand that you need to break free from some of this density in order to attain not only attaching to your oversoul, right? Your higher selves, your higher mind, but to actually understand that you in this physical suit, in the physical, need to do real things in the physical in order to counteract that density. So that is why many of these devices were created, especially for me and my team in the beginning. We created these tools here on Team Light for ourselves on our own individual activations and as team activations. This technology and this know-how is now implemented and can be shared with you, our star family. So again, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. You then take it to the center, you shake your energy and focus your energy through the energy amplifier, which is truly what this is. You then lay back down, take your wand to the left of you and put it down, or the right, laying it vertically against your bed. What this does is create a little energetic pup tent. So if this was the center of the post of your tent, it creates almost like an energetic umbrella for you to operate in. The next little tip I want to share what you can do with an energy tool is obviously for self-defense. I can speak on from my own experience, very, very much so. When you are an energetic being, we are all multidimensional beings, and you're beginning to understand that in your waking up, there are some things in density that may try to slow you down. There are also some things that may try to alter your path in order to keep you in a more controlled frequency. Right? In that manner, and for your own self-defense, it is completely allowed to claim your space inside of your room, inside of your bedroom, inside of your sacred space. You are allowed to claim your space. Make no doubt about this. Okay? In your sacred space, you can enforce that will with obviously the aid of an energy tool if you do choose to do that. With this tool here that you can find at Galactic Wands, you can alter or amplify that frequency which exudes from you in a very, very specific and directional way. I find it very important to be able to protect yourself and loved ones. I also find it very important to understand when you are dealing with density, what is you in your higher selves and what you are processing, and then what the outside world, the outside interference, the density from others is, and understand that difference. What I truly wish, that if you are processing your own individual evolution and your own individual ascension, let thy work on thyself and let others catch up. That's truly what this is about. If you are here watching this video right now, you are one of our star family that is choosing to accelerate through these times, and having specific tools to do that is an awesome way. Here at Galactic Wands, we make the best products that can be found for exactly what these purposes are, and we are very proud and we work very hard to create and continue to upgrade our creations so that they match the awesomeness of our family waking up. With that, just know we love you very much. Namaste and Lakesh.